Hi. I had a thought, and I thought that I would make a video about it, because that sounds like fun. And I so rarely make videos anymore, so here we go. This is a video about React, or at least a thing that just happened to me while using React. I don't know if any of you have ever done any programming with React. It's a JavaScript framework. It's really good. But I just ran into something with lists, arrays of things, and I thought I would share it. So, if you've ever done any React programming, you have probably tried to show an array of items on the screen. And what you've probably done is some sort of array map, and then turned that into let's say a series of divs. You've probably done that. Now, when you've done that, you know that the React documentation tells you that you are supposed to take that item and give it a key, and that key is supposed to be a unique identifier, and each item that is in a list is supposed to have a unique identifier. And even in the documentation, I believe they usually just show you how to use the array index as that unique identifier. Well, I've run into something goofy if you are ever removing things from that list. Now, if you're showing a list, and that's it, and then moving to another page and perhaps changing something that when going back to another page changes that list, you're probably fine. If you're altering the list radically, you're probably fine. But what I have found is that if for some reason you're removing things from that list, just like one or two, then you can have graphical glitches where the item will receive the properties of the item that was removed. Like if you remove item number 3, then item number 4 will shuffle into its place, and it will sort of take on some of the visual effects of what item number 3 was probably supposed to be. I don't think this is supposed to happen, but I started running into this. And generally speaking, what this means is that my application wasn't looking good. And the solution I found is that instead of just using a linear ID like the array index, it's probably a better idea to use some sort of more absolutely unique identifier. If you have a database ID for that item, it's probably better to use that than the array index. I even started adding the array index to the database ID just to make it even more unique, just for reasons, because of the data that I was using. So the point here is that if you're ever doing something where you are removing an item from a list while it's shown on screen, there will be a shuffling of elements on screen, and sometimes you can run into graphical glitches. And the way I have found to solve this is to use a much more unique identifier than just the array index. And I just thought I'd share that with you all by making a quick video. You all. Yeah, just wanted to make a quick video, say hi. Hi, how you doing? I've been doing a lot of programming, not as much art lately. So yeah, thought I'd share this. Bye.